all of us who are into business or into a job or into some profession, all of us want this for ourselves, to add multiple sources of income. But very few of us are actually able to understand what does creating multiple sources of income actually mean. Hello, this is Savan Kumar and I wanted to talk to you about how to create multiple sources of income. All of us who are into business or into a job or into some profession, all of us want this for ourselves, to add multiple sources of income. But very few of us are actually able to understand what does creating multiple sources of income actually mean. Well, it is not about investing your money at multiple places, investing your money in buying stocks, investing your money in buying gold. No, it is not. It is not creating multiple sources of income for you. And this is the problem which is making you or keeping you poor or middle class. And this is exactly what the rich understand really well. They have multiple sources of income. And what do we mean by multiple sources of income? That means they are earning or having cash flows every month from multiple sources in such numbers that even if any one of the flow ends for whatever reason, they have 5 or 6 other sources from which they still get their money. Whereas most of us have only one source of income and others are just investments where we get some pennies in return. That is not creating multiple sources of income. Investing in SIPs or mutual funds or in equity markets, it is not a multiple source of income for you. You have to have cash flows that is either equal to or more than your first source of income. How do you build it? This is the biggest challenge, and this is the biggest mystery which the rich are able to solve and have it for themselves. Multiple sources of income. How do we create it? Well, it could be done by adding a new stream of business, adding a new line of business, something that is related and not related to your present revenue, that in no way affects your present revenue, that in no ways interact, disturb or create problems for your first source of revenue, but adds as a separate or as a new source of revenue for you. What could that be? So for me, as an IT company, we were into website design and development. For me, an additional source of revenue could have been to start with some marketing business, because I could have given the marketing services to the same clients who came to me for web design services. Now, an additional source of revenue could be starting with real estate investing and start having cash flows from there. Another source of revenue could be like I'm speaking in front of you today. Yet another source of income could be writing a book. Again, another source could be delivering training sessions. So these are all multiple sources of income which you need to figure out how you can build. Everybody can have multiple sources of income. If you think that you cannot, it's because you have not given a thought to it. It's because you have not given enough thought to it. Even if you want, you have not taken an attempt because you thought it was risky, you might lose your money, you might not be having time to spare from your primary business. Well, then you need to figure out how you can spare time from your primary business without impacting the revenue of the primary business. How can you build a secondary, third, tertiary and the fourth line of revenue for yourself? Can you build up an additional source of income for you yourself? If yes, tell me in the comments below, and if no, ask me in the comments below, and I will try and help you creating an additional source of revenue for you that is connected with your primary line of business. See you in the comments, and I'll be answering those questions. Have a good day. Bye bye.